Hello, everyone. I'm Frank Alvarado, the Director of Research and Data Management here at Lehigh Valley Economic Development Corporation. Today, I'll be giving you a tour of our Hot Careers Lehigh Valley dashboard, which is an interactive career exploration tool. This tool was created with the purpose of helping students, job seekers, and our community understand what careers are in demand here. The job data found in this tool is specific to the Lehigh Valley and has been confirmed by the region's employers. Jobs included are considered the most in demand from each sector covered. All data is updated on a regular basis. To get started, I'll show you the main page. The idea here is that the user can explore occupations by selecting an industry sector and/or an education level. After that, the occupation list on the right side will filter down based on the criteria you've selected. Once you do that, you can click in to learn more about the jobs at these two links. You can also see average annual wages and job posting count over the past 12 months. Jobs that have text that appears in orange means that the occupation is considered a hot career, meaning they have over 500 job postings or more in the past 12 months. The following two tabs are similar to this first one, but instead of searching by both industry sector and education requirement, you can do one or the other. The job to school component allows you to search or click a job to see which education programs would lead to that job and which local education institutions offer those programs. The final tab is the education program to job component. Here I can search or select an education program on the list here and see what jobs I'd be prepared to work for with that field of study. LVDC hopes you found this tutorial to be helpful for career exploration. We encourage you to share this resource with others. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.